Heaven and Hell, a powerful Zen story on mindset. A long time ago, in ancient Japan, there was a strong and skilled samurai warrior. He was respected by many people for his bravery and strength. But deep inside, he was troubled. He wanted to understand the difference between heaven and hell. So, he decided to visit a wise Zen master. One day, the samurai traveled to a monastery high up in the mountains. He approached the Zen master, an old and peaceful monk, and asked, "Master, can you explain to me what heaven and hell are?" The monk looked at the samurai for a moment. Then, to the samurai's surprise, he started laughing. He looked at the warrior and said, "You, a samurai? You are nothing but a fool. You are too stupid to understand such deep knowledge." The samurai was shocked. No one had ever spoken to him like that before. He felt his face turn red with anger. His hands clenched into fists. His pride was hurt, and his anger grew stronger. "How dare you insult me?" he shouted. "I could kill you right now." He grabbed his sword and lifted it into the air, ready to strike the monk. The Zen master looked at the furious samurai and calmly said, "That, my friend, is hell." The samurai froze. His sword remained in the air, but he did not strike. Suddenly, he understood. His anger, his rage, and his desire for violence. All of these emotions were hell. He realized that when he allowed anger to control him, he was creating his own suffering. Hell was not a place somewhere far away. It was inside him, in his mind and heart. Slowly, he lowered his sword. His anger disappeared, and he felt ashamed. He dropped to his knees and bowed deeply before the Zen master. "Thank you for your wisdom, master," he said. "I understand now." The Zen master smiled gently. "And that, my friend, is heaven," he said. The samurai felt a deep sense of peace. He had just experienced both hell and heaven in a few moments. When he was angry, he was in hell. But when he became humble, peaceful, and grateful, he entered heaven. It was not about a physical place. It was about the state of his mind and heart. The lesson of the story. This story teaches us a very important lesson. Heaven and hell are not places we go after we die. They exist within us, in the way we think and feel. When we are filled with anger, jealousy, and hatred, we create our own hell. But when we choose kindness, peace, and gratitude, we create our own heaven. Think about your own life. Have you ever felt trapped in negative emotions? Have you ever allowed anger to control your actions? This story reminds us that we have the power to change our reality. We can choose to let go of anger and embrace peace. So, how can we apply this wisdom to our daily lives? Here are 3 simple ways. When you feel angry or upset, take a deep breath. Do not react immediately. Give yourself a moment to calm down. Remember, anger leads to suffering. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good things in your life. Every day, think of at least 3 things you are grateful for. Gratitude helps us stay in a state of peace and happiness. Be kind to others. The way we treat others affects our own emotions. When we spread kindness, we create a positive and peaceful environment around us. This is the true meaning of heaven. Conclusion. Now that you have heard this powerful story, take a moment to reflect. Are you creating heaven or hell in your life? The choice is yours. Remember, your thoughts and emotions shape your reality. Choose peace, choose kindness, and create your own heaven. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational and life-changing content. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.